Hello, this is CyberGiant. Today I'm going to talk about Excel Telecommunication services for how they do connected internet, phone line, paging, part 2. This is the second version. Okay, quick bio. The company started in 1988 and launched in 1989. Location Dallas, Texas. The owners are Kenny Trout and Steve Smith. Affiliate programs they offer make $506 million per year. They offer New York Stock Exchange, offer domestic international phone calls, 90-day money back guarantee. Company closed in 2004. They teach you how to become a salesperson with a $200 information packet, personalized business card, contract forms, employee ID, access to contact list, and you paid about $400 per sale based on the subscription. Affiliate programs are paid $35 to $290 per transaction depending on the subscription plan. 25% commission through referrals, 2 to 10% commission per sale. Excel plans, they have many forms. So these are like the different plans. The more you sell, the more money you make. Simple 7 cents per minute, no peak or off-peak restriction, no minimum usage requirement, 90-day guarantee, $4.95 monthly fee. Dime deal is 10 cents per minute for domestic depending on the state, simple billing. I'll just go through it so you guys can see what talk is about. It's weird to be, there's like so many. Calling cards is the original one, 35 cents per minute in the United States. My 800. They have one for day rate and a nighttime rate. No step charge, 90-day guarantee. You can switch back services or get your money back. No minimum usage fee. They have monthly fees. Okay, here's the internet plan. For heavy users, get 3 free emails, unlimited amount usage. $19.95 for regular use, but only 150 hours per month plus 1 free email, 24/7 support, easy to install CD. They have a paging service for either you want the phone number or a word of message. They come with a voicemail and a personal assistant, and it's coverage local, national, and international coverage. Benefits for employees who sell all the services. They get discounts at hotels, cruise lines, amusement parks, restaurants, and car rentals. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with everyone so they know about Excel Communications. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.